Amazing. 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 By some weird portal of circumstance, we're back. We found ourselves together. Look, we found that guy. That guy. Those people. And even further away. I know all the directions. Hey, everyone, and welcome to Discovery Expo Season 2. Brian here, your total favorite from Team Hipster Cat. And hey, we're just really excited to welcome you back to our online digital event. See? Look around. None of this is real. You think this is real? This is not a real hat. This is digital. Poof, it's gone. That's how things happen here on these digital events. This is not, it's empty. It's all a sham. It's all a joke, but not Discovery Expo. This is real because we had a great season 1 and huge congrats. Huge congrats are in order for Team Cloudcat.
Yeah! Woo! Cloudcat!
Mute him before he gets started.
How do we mute him? Can we mute him?
Hey, oh, yeah!
In all sincerity, well done, well deserved. And you really brought home the win. So congratulations, Team Cloudcat. And it's up to everyone else to destroy you this time. This is a new season, new games. So now that we've listened to a bunch of your feedback that's come through, and we've made a lot of changes to Season 2 in terms of the experiences, the games, how things are played, etc. So now we're here to tell you about all these changes, and these are your team captains. You know them, you love them, you can probably live without them. So speaking of Cloudcat, Ryan, what's up?
Oh, yeah, Cloudcats, I'm so proud of you, and welcome back, everybody. So good to have you guys here, with Season 2, and, oh, man, Ryan, we're part of Team Cloudcat, last season's winning team. I'm so proud of you, Nimbus Knights. You did it. You did it. The challenge was issued, and you guys came, and we reigned supreme. Oh, man, so I'm excited for us to come back, do those quizzes, get those referrals, and be a part of those streams every day, and let's answer that challenge again, and let's just keep retaining the title of champions, because that's what we are. We are the champions, my friends. All right, so let's start by talking about logging back on Discovery. And so the first thing you see each time you log into Discovery Expo, you see your nickname and you'll see your referral code. So at the top. So every time you log in, you see that. Now that referral code's very, very important. Referrals are the best way to earn points this season. You'll earn 100,000 points. So put that code to work. Refer all your Retail Pro friends. And let me tell you guys, if you think that you've gotten everybody in your store, go to another store. Go to another store and be like, yo, we need people on our team, man. We need more people. Go visit other stores. Talk to everyone you know that works at a retail location, and talk to your district. Get everybody on board so Cloudcat can continue to reign supreme. All right, you guys did it. I'm proud of you, and very excited. There's more courses than ever. Take those courses, Cloudcats. Get those referrals. Be there on the live streams. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of you guys. And I'm excited to see who our rivals will be, who's going to try to stand up next to us so they can get knocked down. So I'm going to pass the torch on here to Alex. Alex, talk to us.
Thanks so much. Server Cats, I promise I won't tell you that I'm proud of you. But you know what? You can do better. Think of me more as like sort of the disapproving Surfer Cat father figure. I think there's room for improvement, because I don't remember exactly where we were on the leaderboard, but I know it wasn't first. But I think we did okay. So there's room for improvement, and I think we're going to make it this time around with Season 2. So what am I here to talk about? Well, I'm here to talk about navigation, the clicking of the buttons, the poking of the buttons. You'll be able to navigate to different sections by clicking on the navigation icons. Yes, you can see kind of up towards the top of the thing. There's buttons that you can click on. It's as you would assume, it's that easy. Click on the buttons, go to the places, and there's banners. Keep an eye on the banners, because the banners is where the big information comes up at the very top. That's where you can get to know more about great people like us, like disapproving Surfer Cat team father, and you can learn how to earn your points. You can see about those live events, the prizes, referral information. By the way, Team Proudcat, He was talking about the referral information. That is one of the best ways. I'm getting close to the mic. That is one of the best ways to earn points. So I'm just trying to give you a little leg up on the competition. So keep an eye out up top for more information on how to earn prizes, referrals, team medals, and a whole lot more. I'm going to pass it on over to Team Richard Cat. Richard Cat.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Richard from Curious Cat. Very happy with the performance from our team last year. You know, we had a lot of people on. We placed relatively well. And you know what? Listen, I went back, I crunched the numbers, and here's the thing. Curious Cat team members went in and completed more of the actual courses than any other team, okay? We may not have come in first, all right? But I think we can be happy with the fact that we completed more courses than any other team, okay? And that, you know, I think just speaks to our curious nature as a team.
Sure.
But listen, I want to talk.
Quick point of interest there, Richard.
Right.
So if I respect the crunching of the numbers, but if it's true that the most active team did not win, isn't it true that they must be the worst performing team, but just by ratio?
No, I think you're wrong. Let's move on.
What are the
All right.
Crunch them.
Let's talk about how you can win. I want to talk about how you can win. Let's talk about the scoreboard, okay? It has been totally revamped for season 1, and the solo scores have really changed. So here's how you can win, all right? First off, Ryan mentioned it. You can get 100,000 points for each employee referral, 100,000 points. So if you refer one person, you're going to be able to get, you know, more points than doing basically anything else within Discovery Expo. So get out there, start referring people. But there's also a ton of other ways to win points as well. So you'll get 50,000 points for each training that you complete. And there's going to be a lot of them. Daily content every single day on Discovery Expo Season 2. So 50,000 points per completion. You get 50,000 points with each live event participation. This thing right now, you just got yourself 50,000 points. Complete the quiz after this. Boom, 50,000 points are yours. You also get 35,000 points just for logging in every single day. You may have noticed it already, right? You were thinking to yourself, why did I get 35,000 points automatically? Because you logged in. You're also going to get tokens for completing content, and you can use those tokens to play the mix and match game. When you play that game, you're going to get that variable score, and that will be added to your total score for that week as well. So, you know, you could be really good like me and get thousands upon thousands of points, or you could be really bad at the game like Brian and get, 50 points. It's totally up to you and how you do mix and match. All right. So here's the other thing that changed, and this is really important. The solo leaderboard will update every single week. We will have weekly winners. We're not holding out till the very end of Discovery Expo. Every single week, you will have new winners, and that leaderboard will reset on Monday. So for that week, you want to do the courses, do the content, refer your fellow employees, do everything you can to get as many points as possible, because every week we are giving away prizes. There's devices to be won, whether it's Surface Pros or laptops or Xboxes. There's also Surface gear like the earbuds and the headphones. So every single week there's an opportunity to win. So get in there, get those points, and that will be updated every single week. Now, speaking of how you get those points and do those trainings, Warren, if you can just scroll down to the map, the exhibits here are where you're going to go in just as a refresher to see that content. And as I mentioned, every single day there will be new content added. So be sure to check in every single day, do that content, get those points to get on the leaderboard. And finally, let's talk about the rolling wheel of tomorrow. Okay, the rolling wheel of tomorrow, you get spins for doing certain training on here. By spinning that wheel, you're going to be able to win not only like last season tokens and Microsoft 365 and Game Pass and stuff like that, but we've added new stuff to the wheel. So we've got these awesome little swag bags with a bunch of goodies. And on that wheel, you could instantly win things like a Surface Pro, a Surface laptop, Xboxes, and Surface earbuds and headphones. So you could instantly win one of those. Will you instantly win one of those? Only time will tell, but you definitely could. They're on there under that mystery prize section. So That's how you can win. There's a lot of ways to win, and it's changed from season 1 based mostly on all the feedback from the community. So thank you, everybody, for that. And without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Brian, who's going to share our secret word of the day. And then we're going to go to Josh.
Our secret word of the day.
Why is it not the rolling wheel of today?
Well, the secret word is kickoff. The secret word is kickoff. And it looks like the secret word is season 2. The secret word is season 2. Thanks, Brian. Hey, just looking at the old script here that the Canadians put together for us. Once again, my entire reputation as a nation and as an individual is crumbled by the illegitimate actions of our neighbors to the north. So go ahead and repeat that secret word for them, the correct one. Season 2. It's season 2 is the secret word. All right, Josh, what do you have to talk about today?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Season 2, and we are off with what seems to be a very organized and clear start. Well, we're pretty excited. You know, we're laid back. Gamer Cats rise up. I mean, it's going to happen again. Season 2. Obviously, we were a little slow to the game taking out Cloud Cats, but I still am very proud of the work that was done from all of us. And you know, we're going to be looking at a new strategy, a new education format of how we're going to take out these other teams. But really, the biggest thing to call out is those referrals, ladies and gents. I mean, let's just another call out, 100,000 points for a referral. I mean, that's literally the most points you could get for the easiest amount of work you could possibly do, which is, hey, sign up on this. Simple as that, 100,000 points. So let's keep that in mind. It's definitely something that can help close that gap as we start to see where people are, showing up on the leaderboards. Cloud Cat's obviously going to be last. Hipster Cat's probably going to take the cake if we don't. So we'll see. We'll see how things work out. But you know, we want to make sure that you guys understand the daily live events and the importance of those. So every single weekday, you can actually sign in to Discovery Expo and check out at 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Eastern. Check out these live events, and like Richard said, take that quiz, and you'll get those 50,000 points. You'll also get a chance to win gift cards, and of course, when you watch, you'll get those options to get tokens for that spin to win. So the more live events you watch and pass, the more chances of gift cards, y'all. Who doesn't like gift cards? I like to spend money just like everyone else. So if you couldn't watch it, make sure that you check out the VOD, because as you all know, you don't have to be here for that live event. If you happen to have work or some other obligation, you can come back, check out that content, and make sure that you're caught up to speed on what you missed. Now, as Gamer Cats, obviously gaming becomes a massive part of our DNA. So a big thing I want to point out is the mix and match. So you can go back, and it'll take 5 tokens each time to use it, but it's a huge motivator to keep collecting those tokens, again, through signing into our live events, doing those post-event quizzes, referrals, whatever it may be. So you collect more tokens, and then obviously you can use those to spin in our awesome rolling wheel of tomorrow, which I have to say is probably the best name for something that just gives happiness all the way around. So the last thing I'll say is, as Gamer Cats, I mean, we want to make sure that we're going into season 2 with some flair, some energy, some motivation. So in the words of Cobra Kai, strike first, strike hard, no mercy. Over to you, BG.
Hey guys, in case you're over 30, VOD means video on demand. So that's my first note. Now, you want to talk about prizes? Well, when do you want to talk about prizes? Later, or maybe right now? That's right. This signage is going to get its money's worth. I'm making sure that we use this. Look at that.
Actually, Brian, we should talk about it. We should talk about it later, because we just need to address some frequently asked questions from our viewers out there, just so we're 100% clear, and then you could talk about them prizes and wrap things up for us, and just so you can go last because you were last season, and that makes sense. So I'm sorry. So it needs to be done. All right, guys. So we had some questions from some of our viewers, and we thought we would address them on the stream. So first of all, people wanted some info about the gift cards, how they'll be given away throughout the week. So the $75 gift cards. So 45 gift cards will be drawn throughout the week with 30 given away on Fridays with the Kahoot quizzes. So with the Win Big Right Meow, we'll be doing it the offline experience that we did from last time. We learned a lot from it. There will be a time limit to complete it. So make sure you're on those streams and give yourself the time you need to complete those quizzes, because there's not much time to do them. And so there's a new slice added to the wheel of morality. I mean, the wheel of tomorrow, or today, or whatever. It's a wheel, it spins, and you have chances of winning. And so on there, there's a mystery slice. So with that mystery slice, there will be swag packs given away, 2 different kinds. I won't say what they are. You'll just have to learn the fun details. I will say, though, some of them are pretty big prizes. If you win said big prize, if you win a big prize again, you'll actually win a gift card, and it will equal up to a certain amount, and that's the max you can win. All right, I feel like that's clear. If it's not, continue to ask those questions, and we'll make sure we cover them. Now, finally, back to the bottom with Brian. So, Brian, over to you.
Back to the bottom with Brian. That was your segue.
That's yeah.
My introduction. Back to the bottom with Brian. Well, everyone's going to be really interested in all the works that I create now. Listen, pay attention, though, because I'm the prize guy. All right? I'm going to tell you about prizes. And let's be honest, that's probably why you're here right now. Okay? So let's talk about prizes, okay? Prizes are updated weekly. But there's some key things you need to know right now. ExpertZone users will return to ExpertZone's reward shop, okay? And Best Buy users will return to True Blue in order to claim rewards, okay? So Easy is the reward shop. Best Buy returns to True Blue to claim those rewards. Now, if you're using ExpertZone, you must be employee verified now, okay? You must be employee verified to view and to claim your prizes. So you'll just search ExpertZone for employment verification and complete that process like now. If you haven't done it yet, do it now to make sure that you're eligible when the time comes when you earn those prizes, okay? Employment verification on ExpertZone. Now, rewards may take up to 9 Cat Live business days to appear. So rewards can take up to 9 days. So if after that time you're having issues, then please do reach out to us. But give us those 9 days to process, okay? That's all I have on prizes. So I want to make sure that you understood the nitty gritty. That's a lot of the comments and questions and concerns we get back are what's the deal with prizes. And there's a floating child's head in Richard's. I guess we're just dealing with that now. Oh, it's back. There's a floating child head there. And that's not one of the prizes you can win. That is owned wholly by Richard and I assume his spouse. So we're not going to get into the child head, the disembodied.
Yes, we'll have to apologize for Brian's lackluster energy going through all the prizes, because his team hasn't really been accustomed to talking, seeing, or even understanding the prize pool, which is fair, but just wanted to clarify, make sure that our viewership doesn't drop because of that performance.
Yeah, prizes are more exciting than Brian made them out to be.
Yes.
Hey, well, that's all for today's event. So don't forget to take the Discovery Expo quiz after you close this window to collect your token and have the chance to win prizes. And don't forget to check in every Monday through Friday to catch all of our big events at 11 a.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or watch the VODs on demand and win big. Right, meow. Until next time, are you guys going to enjoy Discovery Expo?